Hey everybody, Matt Barton here with this week's Broker Minute or Two. In the past week or two, I covered signing as entities, meaning trusts, LLCs, PCs, and the question has been asked, yeah, but how do you do that in SkySlope? And you know what? Short answer is it's not super intuitive. That's the bad news. The good news is once you see it, you'll see how easy it is to do. So let me share with you my screen. I am currently in SkySlope Forms, as you can see here, and I'm in a file, right? A bogus file called 1234 North Main Street with an LLC seller. And I didn't populate all this, but just for to show you at some point when you're putting in the file details, right? This tab that we're on, it will come down and say, is this an entity, company, or trust? And all this little tagging of this does is say whatever is in first name and last name, even if there's a comma and stuff, add everything to the entity name. So let me just show you what that means. I did some screenshots of this, so I'm going to go over to this. You can see I actually put the company name. The actual seller is Barton Building LLC. I know, what an original name, right? The representative is actually Matt Barton, right? Because this Barton Building LLC is its own legal person, just as a trustee would be as well. And so who is the organization representative? This is where it's a little bit of a hack. It should be more intuitive and more straightforward. I'm sorry it's not, but good for you for watching this video, and now you'll know. So first name, put the first name. Last name, put the last name. And then whatever the representative to the LLC is. So for instance, a president, or if it was a trustee, it would be Matt Barton, trustee, Barton Family Trust. But in this case, since the entity is Barton Building and Realty, Barton Building LLC, it's last name Barton, president for Barton Building LLC. Once you've done that, then when the actual file gets sent out for signatures, it's going to pop up. And when we do the signature portion, notice the full name is Matt S. Barton, president, Barton Building, blah, blah, blah. And you can see it here in script. And this is where we get to choose how we're going to sign. And yes, we go ahead and accept that. And when it is all done and you're doing your signatures, that's how it will look. Matt Barton, president, Barton Building LLC, which is what your office managers are looking for. So there you go. That is the easy tip of the week. Like I said, you can do the same thing with a trust. I'm also going to include to this email a link to SkySlope support that goes through this in a little more detail if you need it, but I think that's pretty straightforward. Hope you have a great week and hope this helps.